Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some pretty mind-blowing news coming your way. So hold on to your seats because we're diving deep into the recent bombshell dropped by one of Germany's states, Schleswig-Holstein. Yeah, you heard me right. They've decided to give Microsoft the boot and embrace the world of open-source software. Crazy, right? Let's unpack this jaw-dropping decision and what it means for the tech world. Wow. Can you believe it? It seems like more and more countries are finally waking up to the idea of breaking free from the chains of vendor lock-in. And let's be real. Who enjoys being stuck in that endless cycle of updates, licenses, and let's not forget those delightful subscription fees? Not me, that's for sure. Just a few months back, we saw India making waves in the tech sphere by ditching Windows for an Ubuntu-based Linux distro called Maya. Talk about a power move. And now, Germany is following suit, showing the world that they mean business when it comes to digital sovereignty. Now let's talk specifics. Schleswig-Holstein is not playing around. They've made it crystal clear that they're ready to bid farewell to Microsoft's proprietary products and embrace the wonders of open-source software. And it all starts with waving goodbye to good old Microsoft Office and saying hello to Libreoffice. But wait, there's more! They're also gearing up to swap out Windows for Linux. That's right, folks. The era of Windows dominance might just be coming to an end. But hey, let's not get ahead of ourselves. As of now, the specific Linux distribution they'll be using is still up in the air. Guess we'll just have to wait and see which one gets the golden ticket. And it doesn't stop there. Schleswig-Holstein is going all in on open source services, from Nextcloud to OpenExchange with Thunderbird. They're even tossing out Microsoft's SharePoint, Exchange, and Outlook in favor of these open alternatives. Talk about a total tech makeover. But hey, change isn't always easy, right? That's why they're rolling out training programs to help their employees navigate this brave new world of open source software. And hey, if there are any bumps along the road, they're willing to make exceptions. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day, right? Now, you might be wondering, what's the deal with all this talk about digital sovereignty? Well, let me break it down for you. It's all about taking back control, baby. The European Union wants to put an end to the stranglehold that non-EU tech giants have on our data. They're all about empowering users and giving EU-based tech companies a chance to shine. And for Germany, this is just one piece of the puzzle in their quest for digital independence. But hey, let's not forget the elephant in the room. The Munich debacle. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. But hey, you gotta give props to Schleswig-Holstein for giving it another shot, right? Who knows, maybe the third time's the charm. And there you have it, folks. The future of tech is looking brighter than ever, with countries like Germany leading the charge towards a more open and transparent digital landscape. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Dive into the official announcement yourself. Just make sure you brush up on your German. Until next time, stay curious and keep embracing those open source vibes. Yeah, catch you later.